Welcome back. In the last lecture, we created a simple app which displayed a web page. We needed to do this in order to create an AppKeezer account. In this lecture, we'll be creating a news app. This app will run in the cloud and will allow anyone to access the latest news from their mobile phone. This is an example here of what we're going to create. To get started, go to Create App and click News. It's a very simple app. So first of all, we're going to put the topics we'd like to see in the app. So put whatever you like, but we're going to put gaming. If you would like to add another one, click Add More. So computing, sport, phones. If you would like to enable push notifications, click the tick. This will enable users to find out all of the latest news without having to access the app. Then click Next. Call your app a name. In this case, we're just going to call it My News 2. And you can enter a description. In the world. Next. We'll just use the default icon, or you can create your custom icon, but we'll keep it with default. Next. Then click Create. So, to see a preview of the app, just click here to see the preview. And here is what the app would look like if it was loaded onto an Android phone. So here we have it. Our app has been created. In the next lecture, we'll be uploading our app to the Amazon App Store, and we'll teach you how to create an Amazon App Store account.